Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about Java interfaces. We will learn how to implement interfaces and when to use them with the help of examples. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. The interface in Java is a mechanism to achieve abstraction. An interface is a fully abstract class. It includes a group of abstract methods. We use the interface keyword to create an interface in Java. For example, here test is an interface. It includes abstract methods display and info. There are mainly three reasons to use interface. It is used to achieve abstraction. By interface, we can support the functionality of multiple inheritance. It can be used to achieve loose coupling. As shown in the figure, a class extends another class, an interface extends another interface, but a class implements an interface. Like abstract classes, we cannot create objects of interfaces. To use an interface, other classes must implement it. We use the implements keyword to implement an interface. In this example, we have created an interface named operation. The interface contains an abstract method add. Here, the addition class implements operation and provides the implementation of add method. In Java, a class can also implement multiple interfaces. For example, similar to classes, interface can extend other interfaces. The extends keyword is used for extending interfaces. For example, here the circle interface extends the shape interface. Now, if any class implements the circle interface, it should provide implementations for all the abstract methods of both circle and shape. An interface can extend multiple interfaces. For example, we can add methods with implementation inside an interface. These methods are called default methods. To declare default methods inside interfaces, we use the default keyword. For example, suppose we need to add a new method in an interface. We can add the method in our interface easily without implementation. All our classes that implement that interface must provide an implementation for the method. To resolve this, Java introduced default methods. Default methods are inherited like ordinary methods. Let's take an example to understand default methods. In this example, we have created an interface named polygon. It has a default method display and an abstract method draw. Here we have created two classes rectangle and square that implement polygon. The rectangle class only provides the implementation of the draw method. However, the square class provides the implementation of draw method and overrides the display method. While calling the display method using rectangle object, the default method is called. However, while calling the display method using the square object, the overridden method is called. Similar to a class, we can access static methods of an interface using its references. For example, in this example, we have created an interface operation. It has two methods, abstract method and static method. Here, the addition class implements operation and provides the implementation of the display method. In TestStat class, we have passed arguments to the static method add to perform addition. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.